I look at rhymes and sentences from the other side, because it's not simply how they sound aloud when the time is right. It's also necessary to put some meaning inside. The message is sprung from the mind, a subtle sublime way of combining all those thoughts that align in the halls of my cranial nerve design. Ready to bump for y'all, better prepare for microphone assault, cause I was told that I would learn from the essence of my fault. So I keep improving my strains, and I've learned several new ways to elevate my pen game. I am musically trained to write 100 bars with ease. The thunder I release is nothing like you see on MTV, commercialized TV, a versatile MC. Certainly no person sly as me to earn a creed entirely with every word inside a speech. The world within my reach, I have the alphabet as my weaponry, and my brothers on the side who represent with me the next degree. P-H-A-T-M-A-R to the K. You better spell it out yourself and memorize the name. Get it off your chest, analyze our game till you understand that there's no way for you people to be doing the same original rap. Every verse I deliver is equivalent to the expression on Japanese people's faces when Godzilla was back. The finals coming will be more than some of you would have expected, with the goal to set you free, and we're gonna broaden your perspective. Our songs are a reflection of the thoughts we're manifesting. I'm so deep into the text that I'm getting lost in my profession like nothing matters. The flow is climbing up on Jacob's ladder, step by step. I bless my sets and gather my thoughts. I'd rather be walking through the valley of death than be putting a coffin in the valley of life. I'm in this rally to uplift all of my energy. It's a hazardous quest. I stress my syllables to add to the depth of understanding my verse to the fullest, and just imagine the steps it took me to reach this kind of level. I'm causing raps to affect, but I'm that flexible, not measurable. It's comprehensible that half of you people don't understand the flow. I'm in my mental temple where I'll be working on my bounds, where I push capacities beyond the definitions of talent. So often I'm being challenged to step up my game, but I just ran away from the darkness coming with the commercial fame. And I worked for days, man, to get my stamina replenished. My breath control is in best control. I am an activist, a member of the underground. It's underground. The only way to let the people up there know is if we dig a tunnel down. But I'm just guessing that if they ever look upon it, search this place and find us out, we'll all be nothing more than fossils, lost, forgotten, like ancient old knowledge. Minds rotten from the courses that they're teaching them at college. We're all messed up and it's getting worse by every second, but I'm in this battle with the system. I'm using my verses as weapons when I approach the mic, slow, ferocious, unlike a poltergeist. I hold within my mind the answer to bring on a prototype of flow. It's considerable that you will find it hard to push an MC that replies as agile as an octopus, a millipede. Lyrically I am mentally incredibly focused upon delivery. Whenever I'm breaking the boundaries, create a destiny instinctively, directing the sound with ease when I pronounce my speech to match the melody with other frequencies. Please don't listen to whack rap, it agitates me. People don't grant DMC to be a POET on the MIC. I paint landscapes with metaphors, so when I speak I reveal art in a transcendent form. I went through storms to set the norm higher than usual, when incomplete with storylines and plots embedded like it was a musical. Who? The indisputable, rhymes beautiful, every line is suitable to fit with the track. The raps are practically delusional, equipped with the craft to craft numerable inscriptions, only bringing you facts. I'm inexhaustible like that, so if you wanna keep up with the pace, then I'm bringing you to get back to the blackboard and get back on the right track fast. At last, I hope you people all remember me, a poet investing in language, cause I love the flow and blessed be my destiny's to rest in peace. But before that moment comes, I'm on a quest to seize the day. For now, I'll let it be. I am a verbal renegade. I ran away from the game cause the stuff I say's real and relevant, but still they wouldn't play any tapes on the radio waves. They're supposed to reach fans who relate to the ways you make all them beats bang, and the dollar fear vanish and escape from the day. Boogie down. I verbally astound with only a slight portion of the words that I pronounce. I went back to the birth of sound, deep in the abyss, where every form was once imagination, eager to exist. Wisdom can be considered as light that might just lead you through the mist, or leave you obscured, dazzled and confused with demons you resist. Accept the strains within you, don't neglect or hate the issues from the past. Learn from them and you should be grateful for the bliss that you received. All organisms alive contain polarities, inquire for the natural equilibrium of reality. inspired by the voice of void, the ultimate intangible, illimitable cause. A point, a pharaoh said it wisely, but you just didn't enjoy hearing you're holding up the wall and still you're missing the point. Become a mental snake charmer. You should use your own capacities, but don't believe in evil spreading all around like allergies. One day it will stop at the rain, so free your mind from the stress you maintain in order to free your whole body from pain, and break the radical chains that keep ideas and thoughts in a spell, and deal with every issue inside you or stay locked in that cell.
Life is a beautiful gift, find it through the mist. Life is the moon by the bridge, it's a movement of things that surround you. Life is a suitable trip for you to take, and it's about you. Life is a beautiful gift, do what you insist. Life is the music you bring, it's the movement of things that surround you. Life is a suitable trip,